Expert system, types, working and application, and how we use Python programming in it. Expert systems are specialized AI programs that emulate human decision-making capabilities. They are designed to solve complex problems by reasoning through bodies of knowledge, represented mainly as if-then rules. The primary components of an expert system include the knowledge base, inference engine, and user interface, each playing a significant role in the system's operation. The knowledge base consists of domain-specific information and facts, which are crucial for the system's ability to provide accurate solutions. The inference engine serves as the brain of the expert system, processing the knowledge base and applying logical rules to draw conclusions or make recommendations. It incorporates two primary methods of reasoning: forward chaining and backward chaining. Forward chaining begins with known facts and applies rules to infer new facts until a goal is reached, while backward chaining starts with the goal, working backward to determine what facts must be true to support that goal. This flexibility enables expert systems to be tailored for diverse applications. Expert systems have found practical applications in various fields, including medical diagnosis, financial forecasting, and troubleshooting complex systems. In healthcare, for instance, they assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing patient symptoms and providing possible conditions based on vast medical knowledge. In finance, these systems can analyze market trends and suggest investment strategies, while in engineering, they help troubleshoot equipment failures based on historical data. Python programming language has emerged as a powerful tool for developing expert systems due to its simplicity and rich ecosystem of libraries. Libraries such as Pyno enable developers to implement rule-based expert systems effectively, while others like NumPy and Pandas provide essential data manipulation capabilities. By leveraging Python's versatile features, developers can create more sophisticated and efficient expert systems that adapt to specific knowledge domains. To create an expert system in Python, one would typically begin by defining the domain, gathering relevant knowledge, and structuring it into a knowledge base. Subsequently, they can code the inference engine, utilizing Python libraries to handle the decision-making processes. Finally, a user-friendly interface can be developed, allowing users to interact with the system seamlessly and receive actionable insights. In conclusion, expert systems represent a significant technological advancement in AI, providing valuable decision-making support across numerous sectors. By harnessing Python's capabilities, developers can create robust expert systems that enhance efficiency and reliability, paving the way for intelligent solutions to complex problems.